Hi guys, this is Loai with you from eschoolonline.com. This course is all about After Effects. It's about motion graphics, visual effects, compositing, putting them all together, putting all the effects together, and coming up with awesome animations. I really want you to get the utmost benefit from this course. If you have any questions, please post them in the Q&A section of this course dashboard. I'll be there. I will answer them all. I'll be very ready to help you to become the expert you want to become. And you know, guys, when you're learning a software such as After Effects that is big and complicated and has so many details, you really don't want to start learning all the details, all the tiny, teeny bits, so you can start creating at least your first animation. Come on, I find it boring. What I want you to do now is to jump in, to start creating your first animation or your first lower third. I know maybe you don't know anything in After Effects. It really doesn't matter. Just be with me. Follow along. Jump in and let's create your first animation to give you the courage, the power, and entertainment to start creating great animation. Usually, to create an animation, there are a couple of steps. The first step is to design the layout. You will import your video, create your composition, then add some text and a background for the text. The next step is for you to start animating. You will use some properties and keyframes to create an animation. It's so easy, you will see. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step, and I promise you, you will have your lower third by the end of next lecture. See you there.